Low beam headlights are turned on, and there's this humming sound in the background. Now we'll turn off the low beam headlights. The humming sound is disappeared.